Are you gonna stop us?
Don't do this, Laurel.
Oh, I thought you'd be happy. You were right about me all along. Oh, and it's too bad that you don't have your cry anymore.
But I still have mine.
What an entrance. Oh, and feel free to tell Laurel's new friend that it's a bad idea to leave vault schematics just hanging around her lair.
What are you doing here?
Yeah, same question. Aren't you supposed to be on your little spaceship or something?
I took a break to clean up your mess.
What is this, some kind of intervention?
I know you're not my sister, but another world or another life you could have been. And my father believed in you.
Well, he was wrong. But you're right about one thing. You're not my sister. Stay the hell away from me.